Hey, I'm Sarah, and this is a walkthrough of my summer 2023 research project in Dr. Az Klimyuk's lab. I'm looking at the presence of fungi in root tissue of wetland plants. Since fieldwork finished, my roots have been sitting in tubes of ethanol to preserve them. I'm going to make slides with them to use under the microscope, so I have to cut them up into small pieces. They go into cassettes for clearing and staining procedures, so I can keep the roots organized by the transect and the site they came from in the field. Clearing is done to make the root tissue transparent, so I'll be able to see the fungi inside. I make a solution of 10% potassium hydroxide and heat and mix it using a hot plate and a stir bar. Once it's heated, I take it over to the fume hood and place the root cassettes inside the beaker. After 10 minutes, the roots have been cleared, and I take the cassettes out and wash the roots in a few rinses of water. Since the stain I'll be using is acidic, I have to acidify the roots by placing them in 2% hydrochloric acid for about 20 minutes. I have to stain the roots so I'll be able to see the fungi inside. The stain I'll be using is acid fuchsin, which stains a nice pink color. It works well because the fungi typically stain darker than the plant tissue, which makes them easier to see. I leave them in the stain for about 3 hours, and then they sit in water for 24 hours to remove excess stain. The next day, I can start making slides. I label a paper towel with the root data and place some slides down. I usually make about 5 slides per cassette to make sure I have enough biomass to look at. I spread UKIP mounting medium on the slides, which is a quick drying substance that holds the roots in place. Then I place some roots on top, usually 2 pieces per slide, and add a cover slip. We have a camera hooked up to the microscope, so you can see here on my laptop what fungi on the slide can look like. The small, darkly staining circles are an example of what I'm looking for. Thanks so much for watching, and see you around campus.